What's going on, family? It's your man Matt DV, and I just came out of this coffee spot from doing some editing, but I had to show you guys where I am. Once again, I am in Da Nang. I just came from this coffee shop right here. It's called Highlands Coffee, and it's kind of comparison to Starbucks, but their coffee, in my opinion, is much better than Starbucks. I'm out here about to take a walk, and I said, why not give you guys some beautiful video before the next episode? And then I was standing here getting my gear together, and look, across the street, there's a Starbucks that's much smaller than the Highlands Coffee. I just sat in there for about 3 hours, man, did some editing. We will be coming back. This is gonna kind of like be our little office spot, but nobody wants to go to Starbucks, man. We're gonna do Highlands Coffee. Let's go across the street because I wanna show you guys one of the most iconic spots in Da Nang, and that's the Dragon Bridge. You guys seen some video before of the nighttime and the fire-breathing dragon. And I was like, let me give y'all some day video. But first, I want to show y'all. There is a light here. Maybe there's a button I can push. Hold on, I was gonna tell y'all that there's no lights, but there's a button. Look, there's a button I can push. I don't want to stop traffic though, y'all. So I'm gonna just cross like we normally cross, okay? Just like you would cross down here. You kind of like just take your time and make your way, right? Make your way out here. And then slowly but surely, you're making it. 2 more motorcycles. I could have stopped traffic. You don't see these all the time, but I could have done that. Look, y'all, this is one of the most iconic features, tourist spots. And I see a lot of natives out here too. It's called the Dragon Bridge, y'all. And look at the mountains in the background. Is that amazing? Look at the mountain, look at the peaks. Can you guys see the mountain peaks back there? Can I zoom in? Look at that. Look at that, y'all. That is insane. Yeah, I just be trying to show y'all why I like this. I love to come out here and walk, you know, get my exercise on. I'm starting to get more walking in. I think I lost a pound or 2 since I've been here. There's the head of the dragon right there. That is truly a fire-breathing dragon. I believe it's Friday nights and Saturday nights. We'll put the information up under the screen here of when you can come out and see the dragon. The bridge is packed. There's gonna be people on the bridge. There's gonna be people on the other side of the bridge in the market over there. There's a food market. But I think that over here would be one of the best positions. If you can position yourself over here on this little dock, or this pier or this boardwalk, that might be a better position if you are interested in the Dragon Bridge. Let's zoom in on that dragon head, y'all. Look at that. Is that cool or what? It shoots fire a couple times and then it shoots water out. Let's look up and see, why do they shoot the water out? Because I'm assuming it's to cool the dragon's mouth off, so that thing don't overheat and just burn up. Or maybe if someone gets like lit on fire that's standing too close, maybe it's to like put them out. Let me keep walking over here, y'all, because y'all know I gotta walk by Starbucks. We gotta walk by Starbucks here in Da Nang. I have to start saying it one way, either Da Nang or Da Nang. I'm gonna start saying Da Nang. Uh-oh. So you can see that definitely some tourists are here. Well, I can't see that they're here, but I see that this guy is selling his wares here. So I'm assuming that a lot of tourists come here. I've never been over in this area. My Airbnb is close to here, and I saw that Highlands Coffee was a good spot to work out in and get some editing done and still enjoy the AC. They have AC there, you know. All right, look like you have some people, they look like they are, yep, from the clothing, they look like they are from India. Let's go check this out. Look, y'all, there's a Starbucks here. What? You know, when I came over here today, there was another coffee spot. I think that's it right there. I might give them a try too. Because I just want to go to where the locals go. And it looks like it says Phuc Long Coffee. Yeah, we might have to check that out, y'all. Let's see what's happening over here. I want to go up on the Starbucks steps. What's it say? It says for Starbucks customers only. People are up there. They went up. They snuck up there. I'm not gonna sneak up here. I'm gonna be good. I'm gonna be really good here. Let me get that video. That was looking good. That's good video, man. Good photo. Uh-oh, they just rolled by. Look, y'all. They also have like a little area out here for Starbucks customers. And even though it's hot today, y'all, it feels kind of cool out. Like underneath this shade, it's nice. So to be honest, y'all, I gotta be honest with y'all, right? Look at these locks and these little hearts, locks. I guess you can buy those and put them on there. That's really interesting, right? I smell a strong smell of diesel fuel right now. That's the Dragon Bridge, y'all. What if I can get up the back way there? The Dragon Bridge, and I even see it looks like it's oily in the water, but I don't know what that is in the water, but I smell some diesel fumes. I'm gonna walk up these back steps, y'all. It says Café de Oron. I don't know. Can I get over that way? Oh, that ain't nowhere. That ain't nowhere. Oh, let me go back the other way. Check out these hats, y'all. I'm gonna go back the other way, and I just wanted to give y'all a quick tour. Hello. What days the Dragon? Friday and Saturday?
Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Oh, 3 days. Okay. Okay. Thank you very much. So, guys, it's Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. That's Friday, Saturday, Sunday night. It's in the nighttime. I believe it's about 8 o'clock. It gets nighttime here about 6:30. So you guys look that up on Google just to verify if you're out here in Da Nang. Check that out, man. It's a beautiful site. Look at some of my older videos if you want to check it out. Check it out. And you have a lot of Subis here. Souvenirs. For those that want the souvenirs, right here, mini souvenirs all over the place. You got hats right there. You got bags, everything you need. Hello, young lady, how are you?
I'm good.
Good, thank you. Yep, doing a video. Where you from?
Florida.
Florida, okay. You here with family?
Just my friend.
Okay. Can I find out like some information? Okay, from Florida. How long you been here? Hey, what's up?
7 days.
7 days. Do you like it?
Yeah, it's nice.
Why? Hold on. Let me get on this side of you. Out the way. Why do you like it?
It's peaceful. I like the fresh air, looking at the mountains.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
How about the food?
the food is good. Everything is just beef and pork. And
Yes.
I don't eat beef or pork.
Okay.
So it's kind of.
So are you
tricky.
vegetarian or vegan?
Someone.
Okay.
Yeah.
So-
But my friends don't eat any meat at all, so it was kind of hard trying to find somewhere. But they got
Yeah.
some pretty nice Indian restaurants that pertain to vegetarian, so it's kind of nice. And then we find a couple of pizza places that was good by the beach, so it was nice.
Right. How long are you guys here?
Today's actually our last day.
The last day.
Yeah.
So on a scale of 1 to 10, what would you give Da Nang?
I give it a 9.
A 9, y'all. Y'all hear that? Well, that's cool. What's the
Yeah.
best thing you've done since you've been here?
Oh, we went to the mosque, and that was pretty nice.
To the mosque?
To the temple.
To the temple. Okay, okay.
Yeah,
I was
to
about
the
to say, yo, let's go find out where the mosque is.
No,
they may
the
have.
temple.
They may have
They probably do.
a Muslim mosque here, but
Yeah.
okay. What temple?
Oh shoot, I forgot the name.
By
of
the
it.
mountain, Marble Mountain.
Yes, we went
Wow.
there yesterday
Yeah.
and seen the little monkeys and their babies.
Did you seen the monkeys at Marble? Oh, they. You
Yes.
know, the nickname for that mountain is Monkey Mountain.
Yeah.
Wow.
And we went to the silk, the place where they made the silk. They
Yeah.
actually show you everything. That was really interesting and really nice how they did that. So yeah, it was nice.
Did you guys buy any silk?
I did. I got a silk blanket. You know, when you reach certain ages, you start to get hot flashes
Look,
and that kind of work in
uh-oh.
there. So it was nice. Yeah.
So where are you guys going from here?
Home. I'm flying to New York and then
Okay.
to Florida.
Have you ever been in New York? Like
Yeah.
the tour? Okay, I'm
Yeah.
from New Jersey.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so that's really close. Well, thank you very much for
Well,
doing
thank
our little
you.
interview here. It's always
Oh.
good to see somebody from the United States with
I
a
know,
beautiful
right?
smile.
I know. There's people who stop us and take pictures with us. It's kind of weird.
Yeah,
I was
you
like,
guys are
okay,
beautiful.
I've never seen
I-
black people before, but yeah, it was
I see
cool.
your friend in there. It's
Yeah.
just one, right?
Yeah.
She threw
Yeah.
out the peace sign. All right, Jen. Thank you,
All right,
sister.
no
Peace
problem.
out.
See?
Yo, it's always good to see people back from the States here, man. This is too cool. All right, that's it for me, man. I just wanted to give you guys a little walking tour. Since I haven't been going live that much, I wanted to give you a walking tour of what's happening here. There is a whole lot to see in Vietnam, and we're in just like one small area of a big city called Da Nang or Da Nang. I'll see you guys at the next one, man. We're editing. I'm going back to the room right now to do some editing. So within the day after this video, you'll see some more edited videos. Peace.